If you've ever stared into a mirror and seen a stranger staring back, puffy-eyed, defeated, chasing deadlines instead of dreams, you're not alone. Sometimes transformation doesn't roar in like a lion. It creeps in as a single brutal choice at dawn, repeated until it forges an unbreakable man. This is the story of Daniel Reeves, who learned that true strength across body, mind, and career isn't luck or lightning. It's the quiet refusal to quit, one morning at a time. Daniel lived in the blur of corporate grind, a mid-level manager in a glass tower firm where fluorescent lights buzzed like doubts in his head. His days blurred into nights, team metrics soaring, but his marriage crumbling, his father's death a wound he buried under spreadsheets. At 38, alone in a faceless hotel room, suitcase unpacked from Monday, yet it was Thursday. Minibar raided. Texts ignored. The boys miss you, Dad. The mirror didn't lie. Bloated jaw, hollow eyes, shoulders wide but weak. He'd built a career on cortisol and compromise, handing himself away, piece by quiet piece, until nothing remained. Neighbors climbed ladders, promotions, side hustles, lives with light. Why not him? One silent night, notebook in hand at the hotel desk, he sketched a fortress, a foundation of dawn discipline, 2 pillars, body and mind, and a peak called career, crowned by presence. No grand vision, just refusal. The next morning, he met truth in a grizzled gym regular, an ex-electrician who'd rebuilt after loss. Strength ain't chance, kid. It's choice at 6 a.m. when everything screams sleep. He handed Daniel a 3-month blueprint, blunt as iron. Step 1. Wake at 6 a.m. daily, weekends included. Alarm across the room. Miss it? Double down tomorrow, no mercy. Step 2. First hour, 6 o'clock to 7 a.m. Forge the body. Run, lift, eat clean. No apps, no mirrors, just raw honesty with sweat. Step 3. Second hour, 7 o'clock to 8 a.m. Sharpen the mind. Journal grief, meditate chaos, unpack the unsaid. Turn wounds to wisdom. He warned, week 1 burns like hell. Body rebels, mind whispers lies. But 21 days in, rhythm clicks. 60 days, strength shows. 90 days, you're reborn, not fixed but forged. Daniel grabbed the challenge with iron grip. Dawn 1, dusty runners from the closet, no playlist. He shuffled out, lungs revolting after 11 minutes total run, walk, gasp. Home, bent double, alive for the first time in years. Hour 2, sat still. Grief crashing, dad's rushed last call. Funeral skipped emotionally. He journaled raw. I traded you for targets. No more. Week 1 brutalized him. Alarm screamed, bed pulled. But park runs turned steady. Gym, concrete floors, no frills. Deadlift fumbles taught by the electrician. Spine straight, earn it. Meals debugged, eggs over vending machines, sleep over emails. Pounds melted, 21 in 6 months. But gold? Belief. Choices had teeth. Month 1 shifted gears. Mind pillar rose. Therapy gym bros tip cracked walls words couldn't. No metrics, just truth. Guilt unpacked, reactions tamed. Dawn meditations, 10 minutes breath over busyness. Saturday, mile 4. Grief tide hit full. He ran through, not from. Fog lifted, clarity to listen, not conquer every room. 2 months deep, career sparks flew. Team sense change. Problems shared again, turnover halted. 2 resignations withdrawn. You're here now. He posted imperfect progress online, not flex, fuel. Neighbors noticed. A colleague shared his dawn ritual. Applications spiked. By month 3, Daniel's fortress stood tall. Body, 6-mile runs, barbell command. Mind, storm surfed, presence deliberate. Career, restructured chief operations role, landed board, saw not frenzy, but forged calm. He built rituals, Mondays deadlifts, Tuesdays therapy, Wednesdays team huddles, Thursdays reflections, Fridays family calls. Numbers climbed, not flashy, but real. Revenue trust from presence. Pride in consistency. The Dawn War One Daily. A mentor featured him in a leadership newsletter. Not overnight hero, but choice warrior, his boys noticed. Eldest, Dad, you're trying. For real. Greatest gift, inner fire, no fear fatigue mornings. Purpose at dawn. Family breathed freer, ex-wife's texts warmed. Son's voices lit up. He shared at conferences, then podcasts, inspiring hustlers worldwide. 1 year on, graveside with Dad. Sorry for the parking lot calls, I run strong now. Lead true, love deep. This honors us. Wind whispered enough. Daniel didn't chase spotlights. He guarded dawn hours, body honest, mind wise. Career claimed. Success wasn't a plaque. It was quiet power, seeing opportunity in gray light, proving daily he belonged. If Daniel's path stirs you, claim your 3-month forge tomorrow. Step 1. Wake 6 a.m. 90 days. Phone a far stand or surrender. Step 2. Hour 1. 6 o'clock to 7 o'clock. Body ritual. Run, lift, fuel clean. Sweat truth. Step 3. Hour 2. 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock. Mind work. Journal, breathe, heal raw. Step 4. Weave narrative into your work stories, sell strength. Step 5. Shield the hours. Sleep fuels the rise. Mornings will war. Bed magnets, doubts roar. But rise reshapes, not for glory, but proof you choose unbreakable. Share this with a brother in the grind. Comment your hour 1 tomorrow, I'm cheering. Your unbreakable choice? It's eyelids opening to dawn.